Hello everyone, I pretty much just woke up from my sleep. Today we're gonna do another video from the pretty much one of the funnest parts of my chess career so far. So sit back and enjoy this game. I was black, and this was the same tournament as the previous game I showed you. So the game went e4, and I was playing the Owens defense. I think, how long ago was this? This was around 5 years ago, I think. But I can't remember fully which year was it. Or maybe it was 4 years ago. But anyway, d4. Wait, let me check the date. It was 4 years ago, in 2017. Anyway, bishop b7, knight c3, e6. And so I'm attacking this pawn, and he defended it. Knight f3, bishop b4 the pin. You can see what I'm trying to do. Bishop d3, knight f6. Attacking this. Now I threaten to take it, the bishop g5. With the idea that if I move my knight away, the bishop on g5 will take the queen. So that's why I went h6 and swapped off on f6. A3 I took because where can my bishop really go? If it goes back here, we get trapped. If it goes here, we have a fork and we lose a piece. If it goes on this square, it's just really bad because it's too passive there and it's not doing anything. It's still a good position, don't get me wrong, but this looks really nice for our queen, but I didn't really like this. Bishop f8 is terrible, so I took. After the recapture I castled and she went queen e2. c5, striking at the center. No immediate threats, but just trying to strike. Castles d5, and now, at the time, I think I was around 1500 and my opponent was around 1100 rated on FIDE. So she went rook e1, which is a big mistake. Can you please pause the video, try and find the move. If you found it, then well done. For those of you who didn't find it, good luck next time. The move is c4, and the bishop is trapped. It can't go here, here, can't go anywhere at all. So she went e5 to try and counter-attack my queen. Very interesting. Most juniors would probably just take, and that's what I would have done, but she tried to be a bit tricky and counter-attack. But then I just took the bishop, and both queens are attacked. The queens were swapped off, and after this, we can conclude that I am up a bishop for a pawn. I tried developing my knight, brought my rook in the open file, attacking this. These pawns are extremely weak. Knight d2, bishop a6. Let's skim through these moves. Check, king f6, rook e1, rook c6. Now, my plan is by these. It's highlighted by these arrows. First I'll play rook c8, or maybe it doesn't matter about the order, but I want to play b5, bring my knight here, and then here and attack this pawn. So, next rook e3, b5, knight b3, rook c4. After knight b3, this square is now loose, so I can go like that. My plan is obviously to take the pawn. Check, king back, rook e3, rook a4, and now h3 takes. And I'm sorry if there's any background noise. The kids also just woke up. King h2, and then rook a2, rook e2, b4. For those of you who didn't notice, my bishop's attacked. Rook e1, rook takes c3. After the swap off, rook c1. Let's skim through these moves, they're not really that important. The ending is the best part though. King g3, a5, knight b3. We swapped off, and c2, attempting to promote. After king f3, e5. I don't know, I just felt a bit cocky here, so that's what I did. Check. We swapped off and I promoted my first queen, then I went to my second queen. King f4, and now there's a pin here. I exploited it by playing d4. She can't take now because of that. So king f3, and then I pushed my next pawn, and we got 3 queens now. It's insane, look at these 3 queens. It's amazing. King here. Check. Once again, exploiting this pin. King back. I took 1 pawn. I brought my knight in the attack. Check. And then here, look at all those arrows. That's all the possible checkmates I found. But in the game, that one was played by me because it looks really nice. Like, come on, you can't say no to this checkmate. You've never seen this before, right? Well, all these red arrows, they're the possible checkmates that I could find. So firstly, the queen could go here. Wait, let me clear all these arrows there. This queen, it could go to this square and give checkmate. It could go to this square, this square, this square, this square, this square as well, and maybe even this square. Those are all checkmates. This knight can go here, and that's a checkmate. That's the only checkmate of the knight. This queen can go to f3, f2, I think, g1, h3, and I think that's it. And this queen can go to f2, f3, d3, c1, e1, g1, f4, and that's it. That was absolutely irrelevant. Why did we do that? But yeah, the point is, many queens are really powerful. That's how I finished her off. It was such a sad finish, and let's see what it looks like for white. I feel so bad, but it's alright. I hope you guys enjoy this game. I still have another 20 games to show you. I have like 20 other video ideas. I'll try and upload more. Because it's the weekend, I'm uploading it today. But let's check out some other stuff now. 1 second. Right, we're still on 47 subs, just like yesterday and even like a week ago. Here's all my videos. If you finish watching this video, maybe you could try out another video, but please just click that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and check out my brother's channels. So far 2 of my brothers have channels. Let's check them out. This is my oldest brother's channel. He's younger than me, but he's still my oldest brother. He's got 31 subs with only 2 videos. That's ridiculous. I think he kind of told all his school friends to sub, so I guess that makes sense. Please subscribe to him if you haven't already. He's had 2 uploads. He's gonna try and upload once a week. Alright. Let's check my other brother's channel. So my youngest brother. Right, here it is. They've got 12 subscribers. It's not as good as the other one, but it's still really good. Please subscribe to him as well. He's got 3 videos. He's got a video of him on Lichess. He's got a video of him doing exercising, and this video of him on ChessKid. So go ahead and check out their channels. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye and have a nice day. 1 second, it's taking me a bit of time. Anything more? Wait, 1 second. Don't go anywhere. Oh yeah, this is my first actual chess related video. It's got probably the highest amount of views. Thanks for the views, everyone. Bye bye and have a nice day. Finally.